This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing assets and project settings so your edit looks crisp. Open Alight Motion, create a new composition, and set resolution to 1920 by 1080 and 30 fps to match most anime source footage. Import your videos, transparent PNGs, and audio into labeled folders. This speeds later steps. Once done, drag clips to the timeline and enable Preserve Aspect so scaling preserves quality. Do this now, because correct settings prevent rework and keep motion smooth as you build. You'll handle the complex middle work by animating and isolating elements. Split clips where actions change, then add position, scale, and rotation keyframes. Set easing to make motion natural. Use the curve editor for fine timing. Once masked, create shape masks around characters and feathers slightly to blend. Invert masks for background reveals. For stylized glow, duplicate the layer, set blend mode to add, and apply Gaussian blur. Make sure anchor points are correct, so rotations look anchored to the character. You finish by exporting and verifying the final render. Choose MP4 at 10 to 12 Mbps for web delivery, but if you need transparency, export WebM or a PNG sequence with alpha enabled. Preview the full timeline first to catch timing or sync issues. Render a short test clip if unsure. If the export errors or drops frames, clear the app cache, reduce complex effects, or render in smaller segments and stitch them together. That troubleshooting step fixes most painful render problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.